In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a new page to your Wix website. This is super simple to do, so it won't take much of your time. The first thing that you want to do to add a new page is go to the left-hand menu over here on the left-hand side. And here, the second option says menus and pages. If you click on that, all you will need to do is look right at the bottom. It says add page. Click on add page. And now you can choose between these different page types. So for this example, I'll choose this About Us page, click on Add Page, and right now it's just adding the page. And then you can rename it, so I'll just say About Us Test as an example. Click on Done once you've renamed your page. And that's pretty much all you need to do. You can click on Add Page again if you want to add another page. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.